is this car that you found now?
It's up on that hill. And now that you're going to pull out, there's going to be a line of cars.
Usually is.
Just blasting
Usually
through.
is.
You got one more.
My seat's leaking.
I know. Slow.
I gotta put a little air in it. My seat. I gotta update my truck a little bit. So I'm coming.
You know, everybody says...
I lost my cigar.
Everybody says do not get rid of your tow truck.
It doesn't have the EPQ or whatever it's called.
Blue Def. There's rumors going around that the Blue Def did nothing all these years.
It didn't. It did not. It's a diesel. You're not supposed to put catalytic converters and stuff on a diesel. It makes no sense. It runs on oil. Basically, literally, at least the other stuff is gas. Gas is different. It runs on oil. What are you looking for this thing to do? Miracles?
I don't know. So now they're saying
It's
that
like
they might...
It's like you take a cat and you're trying to teach it how to, like, you know, doesn't make sense.
No. Dodge Ram is the only truck that does not have Blue Def.
Is that so?
All these years, they never had Blue Def. Still right now. You can buy a brand new Dodge diesel and you don't have to put Blue Def. He banged the left down there.
Alright. Something hanging out of the bottom of my truck. What is that?
What?
What's hanging out of the bottom of the truck? I gotta see what the heck's going on here.
Where'd he go? Oh, that's...
Alright, how about? Oh, look at this.
Oh,
this is
great.
for my life stuff. Ah, look at this mess.
Now what?
This is for my lights and all that stuff. I gotta somehow tie it up, just at least I can get home, and then later on we'll fix it. What am I gonna do now? I gotta get home somehow.
Oh, wait a minute. Don't we have Dorman wire ties?
They send
got
you wire
like
ties?
boxes.
I didn't even know that.
One of them has like 500.
Yeah, but I don't have them here.
You got a phone?
Close the test drive phone.
Well, yeah.
I can't hear nothing. I can't hear nothing. Hello?
Yeah.
Yo!
Yeah.
Do me a favor. There's a wire hanging out from underneath my truck. Can you bring me, didn't we get wire ties or something or another? From Dorman sent a whole bunch of wire ties, didn't they?
Yeah. What size do you need?
Huh?
What size do you need?
The ones they sent, I don't know, bring a couple.
Thanks.
The longer ones. I'm at, where are we?
There's a lot of school buses.
There's a school over here, I think, or an insane asylum of some sort.
Look, where they park the school buses.
Where they park the school buses? And, in, you know that road is like 15 miles an hour?
It's 45, yeah.
Okay. Where you do 45, she said?
Yeah.
The 15-mile-an-hour road where you do 45, that's the way you're going to get your permit? All right, go ahead. I'm waiting over here. All right, later. I shut it off.
No, you're in camera mode. You want to take a selfie? No.
Is there a driveway around here for this parking lot?
Wait,
All right, we'll pull in over there. What kind of driveway is this? Looks like a giant funnel. Here, hold this. I'm just going to reverse over to there. Get down low. Get down.
There she is.
Okay, here. I think that's her. Oh, how much did you bring? What am I gonna? I'm gonna Dorman the whole town together?
I didn't know what size you needed.
Wow.
Oh, good thing you're here. Go here. Take these back. I don't need this money. Here.
500 in that too.
This is what I needed. Well, I'll put two. Let me put another one further up.
Here, give me one. I'll do it.
All right, that's it. Leave it like that. That'll hold, and then I'll fix it later on. Dorman baby, to the rescue.
Dorman baby to the rescue.
All right, let's go.
Back to what
And that's that. Let's do it. Taking over the world.
One zip tie at a time. One Dorman zip tie at a time.